This project is on course because it's supposed to be completed within 24 months. So we're talking about May, April, this project should be completed. So far, we've been told the progress is commendable and all measures are in place. We can see the spillover is almost done. They say within the next 3 months before the heavy rains come, that will be done. The intake and the outlet are already done. And the works which are going on, we have been told that come December, most of the works will have been done.